In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Error Code E84. So on your Steam web page, the first thing you need to do is change your Steam password. So tap on Login and click on Help, I can't sign in. And then click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. So just put in your information, follow the process, and reset your Steam password. So I hope this method helps you to fix your Steam Error Code E84. But if this doesn't work, you can try the second ways on how to fix this one. So in the search bar icon on your desktop, just type in run. Open it up and type in %temp% and then press OK. And then highlight this all and then delete all the temporary folders in here. Why? Because sometimes these temporary folders can be causing issues. So it is possible that because of that, this issue is occurring. And the third option is to try uninstall and install your Steam application again. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.